but today let's jump and play, splashing in a funny way. Little feet go splash, splash sound, puddles forming on the ground. Spin around and laugh out loud, dancing with the rainy cloud. Drip, drop, hear the beat, raindrops tapping tiny feet. Rain, rain, go away, we still want to laugh and play. Clap your hands and shout hooray, rainy fun is here to stay. Rain, rain, go away, or just dance along today. Jump and twirl and spin around, joyful splashes all around. Clouds go floating in the sky, waving slowly, drifting by. Thunder hums a gentle tune, rain will stop and leave soon. Rainbow waiting in the light, colors shining big and bright. After rain the sun will say hello to a brand new day. Pitter patter, soft and slow, watch the tiny rivers flow. Jump, jump, splash, splash, run, run, dash, dash. Laugh, laugh, clap, clap, tap, 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 tap. Rain, rain, go away, thank you for this happy day. Now the sun can come and play, lighting up the sky so gay. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. We will sing and dance and say, rain can bring a smile our way. For more fun, join Kesary Baby Tales.